everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the silent Venus macerator toilet. Today I tried to flush the toilet and I found out the motor inside wasn't work, so I opened it up and then check if anything blocked the panel on it or anything. And then I look under this thing. They have some kind of fat on this, and all the dust just by the time. So I clean it up, and then I put it back in here. So I will show you how it works. Oh. This guy, if this thing go down, it will work. But then if it have something like stuck on this thing, it will heavy, so it will not work properly. So I just clean this thing up, okay? And then when it's clean, it works. That's it, guys, when this happens. So I hope you guys can fix it. Thank you.